Process of Appraisal module. Log on to the portal by using your login credentials. To create new form. Step 1. Navigate to Manage Employee Data and select Review Form Master. Step 2. Click on the plus form button to add new forms. Step 3. Enter the form name, then select Consider Score Type from the drop-down. You can either consider Final Approval Score Type or Average of All Approval. Step 4. You can select the range, then Appraisal Percentage, then Label. You can add multiple range. Step 5. Click on Save. To add groups. Step 1. Once the form gets created, add groups by clicking on the right corner icon, plus Add Group. Step 2. Enter the group name, then enter order number. Order in which you want the group to be arranged. Step 3. Select Sum. Step 4. You have option to make the group active and self-viewable. To add fields. Once you add groups, you can start adding fields to enter the review questions. Step 1. Under the group which you created, you can add field by clicking on New Field. Step 2. Add review question. Step 3. You can select these field types, answers for the question. Text, you can add only text in this field type. Text area, for longer text details. Checkbox, you can select multiple answers. Select, you can list drop-down of options. Radios, you can select only one options out of many. Range, you can select the range that you have created from drop-down. Step 4. Select Sum. Step 5. Enter the order number. Step 6. Add the name, value, and score. You can also edit this as per the requirement. Once you create form, you can float the same to the employees by following steps. Step 1. Navigate to Manage Employee Data, click on Appraisal Form Setting. Step 2. Click on Add New Review Form setting in the top right corner. Step 3. Select from the drop-down the form which you have created. Step 4. Enter the review start date and end date to review the form filled by employees. Step 5. Select the periodicity and the financial year. Step 6. You can also filter by employee's name. Click on Submit to save. Once the form gets floated in employee's dashboard, employee will fill the form by clicking on the Event button and Submit. Employer can review the form once the form is filled by the employee. You can also view the pending, cleared, and unfilled forms here. Once the performance review process is completed, the recommended CTC would be reflected on screen, and the same could be utilized to design the revised pay structure of the eligible employees.